Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program name BSc B.Ed, PCM, 5th SEM, course name Multivariate Calculus and Vector Differentiation, and session of today is some numerical problem on polar form, reducing into the polar form. So, learner, you have two problems in front of you of polar form. So first problem is 0 to pi, 0 to a 1 minus cos theta, r square sin theta dr d theta. This is the problem of double integration and polar form. So solution I is equal to 0 to a pi, 0 to a 1 minus cos theta r square sin theta dr d theta. First of all, this is integrated with respect to the r. So separate this function 0 to pi sin theta and bracket 0 to a 1 minus cos theta r square dr bracket close and d theta. This is the separation of different variables. So integrating this with respect to r, we get r cube upon 3, lower limit is 0 and upper limit 0, 1 minus cos theta d theta. Again, putting the value of upper limit at the place of r cube, we get 0 to pi sin theta 1 minus cos theta whole cube d theta. Again, integrating it and putting the value a at the place of a, it gives the a cube upon 3, which is constant, and separate out of the integration, and integration become 0 to pi sin theta 1 minus cos theta whole cube a cube upon 3. Putting, there is some substitution in this, putting 1 minus cos theta is equal to t, then sin theta d theta is equal to dt, or changing the limit in this respect, it gives the a cube upon 3, 0 to 2 limit t cube dt. Now this is integrated with respect to t, it gives the a cube upon 3 constant and t4 upon 4 is the variable, and lower limit is 0 or upper limit is 2. So putting the value of 2 at the place of t, it gives the answer 2 to the power 4 upon 4, that will be 2 to the power 4, 16 upon 4 is equal to 4. So 4 a cube upon 3. So this is the final answer of this question. Again, evaluate the double integration r square d theta dr over the area of circle r is equal to a cos theta. So first of all, we have to draw the circle r is equal to a cos theta. This is the equation of circle in the polar form in front of you. So this is equation. So putting this lower limit and upper limit will be, ये theta lies in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and r lies between 0 to a cos theta. So putting this values in the integration, so integration become minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 0 a cos theta r square dr d theta. Integrating r square with respect to r cube upon 3, and lower limit 0, upper limit a cos theta. Again putting these limit in at the place of r, it gives the cos to the power 3 theta, and a cube upon 3 is constant and taking it to out of integration. So it gives the a cube upon 3 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta. And solving this, we get to a cube upon 3 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta. This is the function here. If any function have limit minus a to a fx dx, it will be 2 0 to a fx dx. If function is even, it means f minus x is equal to fx. So cos function is even function. So the limit is changing in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is 0 to pi by 2 and double the magnitude of this function. Now this function is like cos to the power m theta sin to the power n theta d theta 0 to pi by 2. This is the gamma function, or formula of gamma function. If cos m theta sin n theta d theta are limit 0 to pi by 2, then the formula will be gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma m plus 1 by 2 gamma n plus 1 by 2 upon 2 gamma m plus n plus 1 by 2. So it gives 2a cube upon 3 gamma 2 gamma 1 by 2 2 gamma 5 by 2. It is because 2m plus n plus 1, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 0 plus 2, m plus n plus 2 by 2. So it is 5 by 2. Again solving this, gamma 2 is equal to factorial 1. So 1. Gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. In the denominator 2, gamma 5 by 2 can be expressed as 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. Again 3 by 2 expressed as 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. So putting the all values, it gives the 2 by 3, and multiplying it 2 by 3, again it gives the 4a cube upon 9. This is the final answer of this integration. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much.